Hello, I am Tsuji and I am the director of a baby lab at the University of Tokyo. I study early language development. And I'm very excited to be the instructor for a global unit course on early language development this year. Babies learn language no matter what language background they are born into, and that is a very fascinating question. From early on, they show clear preferences for uniquely human speech sounds over, for instance, non-speech sounds, and they also prefer social signals. For instance, they prefer infant-directed speech over adult-directed speech. At the same time as showing these kinds of specific sensitivities, they are also very flexible. So no matter whether they learn English or Japanese, in the beginning they actually have similar sensitivities to all speech sounds in the world. So for instance, Japanese babies can also distinguish R and L similar to American learning babies early on, but then they develop to prefer those sounds that occur in their native language. And this is not only the case for speech sounds, but also for words or grammar, and also for babies that learn sign language and not speech sounds. So in the first group of sessions, we will go through this fascinating journey of how babies become competent users of their native language or languages. In the second group of sessions, we will actually go into baby methodology, because these little humans can often still not respond verbally, they have very short attention spans, and also they are often not very cooperative. So how do we actually test what they know about language and how they learn it? We will do this both theoretically and practically by going to the baby lab and also by analyzing some data. In the next group of sessions, we will go into some more detailed and advanced topics. For instance, why is the social environment so important for babies to learn language, and what happens in bilingual or multilingual environments with language acquisitions. We will also look into why artificial intelligence is now so interested in the way how babies learn and what kind of lessons they can gain from it. At the very end, we will work together in groups to write a blog post to the general public about how babies learn language. And if you want, you can actually look into these kinds of blog posts that my lab and other researchers publish. If you type Kotobu into a search window, you can look at blog posts we have previously written on early language development. And if we're successful, we could actually publish one of our blog posts on this platform. Everyone that is interested in these kinds of topics is very welcome to join this course. And I'm very, very much looking forward to welcome you in person at the University of Tokyo Hongo campus this summer. Many thanks.